A woman was apprehended after driving a van full of children into the Atlantic Ocean, according to Florida police. Daytona Beach police said that Ebony Wilkerson, 32, of South Carolina, would go through a mental health assessment. No one was hurt due to the weird incident, which happened at a beach that permits cars traffic. According to the first police inquiry, the woman was driving her car on the sand parallel to the seashore when she turned and drove into the ocean waters. Bystanders and security officers helped take out the passengers from the vehicle, which was rocking in the surf. The woman's sister in question had called the officers before the incident after being concerned about her mental well-being. The sister told law enforcers that she was talking about demons and that she was concerned her previous husband may harm her and her kids. The woman's kids, aged 3, 9, and 10, were given to the custody of the state.